Hi, this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive. Today, I wanted to share some great tips with Grok AI. It works if you have an X Plus premium account, and you can change how you post, how you reply. You can use Grok to assist you, fix all your grammatical mistakes, typos, and you even have a choice of adding some personality into your posts. Sometimes I feel like I can be blah, and adding the influencer into the post injects a lot more personality. And you have at least like a dozen different personalities, as you'll see in this upcoming video. So I really highly recommend you subscribe with X Premium. There's so many features that you can use. And if you're in business, it's an investment. So that's how I look at it. I've been on X since 2009. It's drove the most traffic to my blog, Inspired to Thrive, over the years, and it still does today. What's really amazing is I don't post as many links as I used to, very rarely. And it's the posts drive people to your profile. And of course, you can have a link there. Some people have many links there. You can use the expanded bio. So people get to know you by the replies and the posts that you do with personality. That's what it's all about. It's social media. Too many times you see people post and run. Oh, let me get my post about this latest thing with a link. And they're gone. You reply to them, you don't hear back. That's not what it's about anymore. So I really wanted to share this for a lot of my old blogger friends and others on X to be able to use it to the fullest. I hope you enjoy the quick how-to video. I'll be making some more shortly. Have a great day. So I wanted to show you how this Grok works. You can go in and start typing a post if you want to just say, "Good morning. How are you all doing today?" All you have to do is hit this Grok button, and it only works on my desktop. It has not worked on my Android, just so you know. You can enhance the post. Now they let you proofread. You can add personality. So I'm going to add personality as want to be an influencer, for example. And all you do is put insert into post, and there you are. Now you got the personality of an influencer. You can go in and change it, of course. And let's change it to a news anchor. Say we were a news anchor. Insert into post. There's another one for you. So you have lots of options here that you can go in and change the personality. Let's see what else they have. Ballet girl, stand-up comedian. I wonder what a stand-up comedian would be. Not much different. But as you see, you can play with this. You can do all kind of things. You can change it up, etc. So you can also shorten, proofread, and change as the personality. My other favorite part of this is doing images. So generate an image. And I've been playing mostly with memes, funny cartoon memes. So create me a funny cartoon meme of me saying, and of course you can fix that as you go along, saying, "Good morning to my ex followers." Helps if you type it in right. And as you will see, it'll just take seconds. And if you don't get it right the first time, keep trying because you really have to train Grok to understand you. It took me a while, but once I got it, it's a lot quicker today. Sometimes it'll put text in there. Actually, I like these a lot. These are really nice. Let's see if you use something like that. Good morning, ex-followers. So now you'd be ready to post. It's that easy. So you can really spice up your posts on X today. You can also use it, I believe, when you're replying. So let's see what we got here for notifications here. I'm glad Samsung helped you find it. The alternative, rebooting Windows. Yeah, that would have taken forever. This happened to me once. Oh boy. So I'm gonna write back and say, "Oh boy, that sounds like a terrible way to start your day when that happened." Again, I can just use a text there, but I'm going to go into the Grok and see it enhance my post. Aha, there it is. It actually checks it all for you. I hope it doesn't happen again, Tiffany. And I'm going to hit the reply. So it actually even helps with the replies, which is great. It helps you come up with better. Persistent challenge. Let's see what the talk here was about Grammarly and other ones. Oh yeah, the challenge. Yep. That is a challenge when you have multiple AI tools going at once. And I'm going to go right in here, enhance it. It's going to do the autocorrecting for me. It's even putting the capital letters where they belong. There you go. You can be a reply queen, reply king. So that's really how you can really move fast on X using these tools. I believe the Grok 2 is for the premium and premium plus users. I'm not sure on the free version if they use the 2. I think they may be able to use it 10 times only in a certain time period. I'm checking with one of my friends who does not have the premium plus yet. And I will definitely note that in the description and text of this video. So there you have it. If you haven't gotten Premium Plus on X, I highly recommend you do. If you're, all in on X, I've been on here since 2009. I always love the platform, but now it's really become phenomenal with all these little extra bells and whistles and tools. And it's kind of going back to its roots where people are actually talking to one another instead of just sharing posts with links to their blog, to their news site, to wherever. If you need to post any links, I always tell people do the post first as you text and then do the second one with the link. But don't do it all the time. People don't want to be sold to all the time on these social media platforms. That's not what it's about. So there you have it. I hope this has helped you. I hope you start using it. I'd love to know what you think of Grok 2 on X. Have a great day.